Hey, this is Danielle. Today I'm going to be talking about Walmart earnings. So, if you look at Walmart, you're going to notice a few things here. Number one, Walmart does typically gap up after earnings. Last quarter gapped up 4.8%. Yes, the quarter before that it was down a lot more than normal at 6.5%. But beyond that, we have 1%, 1.5%, 5.2%, 4.8%, and 0.4%, with only three lower gaps during the most recent quarters. So, for the most part, typically see Walmart trading higher. Now, Walmart obviously has had a pretty big move over the course of the last two quarters, trading from a low down here around $50 up into about 61, 66. But I still think there's more upside in this name. Why is that? Well, I think that because especially you have this most recent gap right here. Typically, when a company has or a stock chart has a breakaway gap like that, the next quarter, they can typically capitalize on continued upside momentum. Sometimes there will be a case where the expectations are just too high due to this gap and we end up trading lower, like something like that. But for the most part, I still like to stick with the overall technical pattern, and then I like to look at the fundamentals as well. So, as far as the technical pattern is concerned, we have a squeeze right here. We have a hold of the 50 simple. We have a Fibonacci price target up here between 62.50 and let's see, I think that's 63.57. So let's just call it, well, I guess we could just call it 63 to give us a nice round number there. And that would be the spot in between the two targets. But we have this nice technical setup. We also have a company that's regularly beating EPS estimates. Last quarter, they were estimated to earn $1.64. They made $1.80. Quarter before that, they were estimated to make $1.52. They made $1.53. So, slight beat. It was still a beat though. Quarter before that, they were estimated to earn $1.69. They made $1.64. Quarter before that, they were estimated to earn $1.32. They made $1.47. And quarter before that, they were estimated to make $1.51 and they made $1.71. So what you can see here is that they've been regularly beating EPS estimates. They have a nice solid trend and they have an expected move of $1.87. So I think with the current price and the expected move on this earnings report, you probably pretty easily see it up at 62.50. So I'm planning on looking at some bullish upside flies in this name. Yes, it is a much smaller name now because it just recently split. It's only a $60 stock. But, still a ticker we can trade for earnings. It's not going to be anywhere near as crazy as something like Nvidia or Applied Materials or anything like that. So I do like to also include some of these kinds of tickers into my trading portfolio, because the thing is that they can still provide opportunity even though they don't move anywhere near as much. And I think it's good to have a mix of more conservative, slow moving names along with some of these others that can be a little bit crazy. So that is what I have for you today. If you want to check out my YouTube channel, you can find it at Trader Danielle. On my channel, I go over a lot of the trades I make, a lot of my trading strategies. So you can learn all about that in my trade review section right here if you want to learn more about the recent earnings moves that I have traded. All right. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.